you want to have your roller at an angle. About 15 to 20 degrees is all you need. And there again, you want about 27 pounds of pressure per square inch. And you'll hear that. You can hear that little clicking noise. When you can hear that, you're pretty doggone close to what you have to be. And you want to make sure you go far enough over so you actually see that distinct tape line in the back. And you never want to roll and then miss a spot and roll, because that's a void gun. So you want to make sure that you're always overlapping your roller when you roll it. And you want to make sure you go up over the top front of the edge in the front as well. But you'll be able to know it too. You can see it and you can also hear that.